Hey y'all, it's Arkansas Ray, and just want to come at you with a quick video to tell you about my most recent career change. And it's been a long time coming because I've been doing this for a year and a half now. But anyway, I mentioned this in a previous video. I have become a school teacher, believe it or not. My lifetime so far has involved mainly a lot of manual labor. I have worked and still am officially employed by a local radio station, and I worked for that radio station for about 20 years altogether actively. I'm still, like I said, I'm still technically employed by them, do some part-time work every once in a while for them. But otherwise, besides doing that, I have been doing building maintenance, and you'll see some of my previous videos where I have shown you some of the places I've gone to and some of the work I've done. But now I'm a school teacher, and in particular, I am a drones school teacher. So let me just show you around my classroom a little bit. All right, so this is my classroom. It's a pretty large classroom, a little bit of a mess right now. We've got some boxes and things to unpack. These are actually some new drones that we got in, and of course they're all still in boxes right now. But this cage is probably the focal point or the center point of our classroom. It's where we do our indoor flying and learn some skills that way. I will say with all the computers, we have some gaming computers. So on these computers, they will actually do, we have a drone simulator software program that we run on there, and that's they can use the controllers to get some hours on the simulator. And then for the rest of the computers, we use it for testing. We use it for video editing. We will be using it for all sorts of things. These are newly upgraded down there. You see those are newly upgraded Mac computers. And we've got some Dell computers. And then these are also brand new gaming style computers. So we do a little bit of everything in here, including some hands-on activities. If you're wondering why the kitty looking, because this is high school students, if you're wondering why kitty looking students are on there, kitty student activities are on there, that's because we have to learn about cloud formations. We have to learn about the weather. So for that reason, we did that simple activity. And also we learned about propulsion. So we have built catapults. Yeah, that's right. So, but we amped it up a little bit. So we went from building just a regular old catapult to jacking it up and raising it 12 inches. And then in here, we configure this in a variety of ways when they're flying drones. And coming up in April, we'll have a competition down at Hot Springs. And so we will be just very, very shortly setting this up for to simulate that competition. And so we'll be getting into that. And pretty much have all the necessary tools needed to teach and talk about drones. There's a few more things I'd like to get, and a few more things on the way. We have a 3D printer. We have a drone that's coming along the way. It's going to be in a stationary. I'm sorry. Well, it's in a gimbal, and so that gimbal will teach FPV flying skills. And so anyway, this is my classroom. This is what I am doing now. And I will tell you, I have a newfound respect for teachers. I used to be a sub back in the early 2000s as I was, when I first became a part-time employee at the radio station. And I thought I understood what teachers were going through. And now I can tell you, like I said, I've been doing this a year and a half now, and I have a newfound respect for teachers. And I will never gripe or never complain about teachers in the way that I admittedly did in the past. So to teachers out there, I'm very sorry for some of the things that I have thought or said when I was younger. My apologies. but now it's a whole different story. So tell me what you think about teachers now. Tell me what you think about the public school system now. This is a vocational technical school, or if you want to call it a career technical education school. Is how it's referred to often now. That's what this is now. So tell me what you think about that. I will tell you, I've got some concerns about this job because I don't know if it's going to last. I just found out yesterday that 2 teachers are being laid off because of budget cuts in the state of Arkansas, and I guess possibly even some federal dollars. And so losing jobs around here because of that. And sometimes I worry that I might be next, but I believe it's in God's hands and God is in control. So we'll leave it at that. But tell me what you think. And please, if you will, please like the video and please subscribe. We'd love to have you along. All right, y'all have a good one.